IP, intellectual property, IP, is a burgeoning area with everything that's going on in terms of our technology-driven society. The IP lawyers are the most marketable. That's where all the work is.
I think what's most distinctive about us is they get a great legal education in a warm, supportive, friendly environment.
We're known to have one of the best intellectual property programs in the United States. And that program in and of itself attracts some of our very best students in terms of student statistics, LSAT scores and GPAs.
The DePaul University College of Law Center for Intellectual Property Law and Information Technology, or CIPLIT, is a nationally recognized leader in the field of IP legal education. The program attracts students, academics, and employers from across the country and around the world. The core of DePaul's IP program is a diverse, inclusive experience driven by innovative scholarship and a broad curriculum, building for students a unique perspective and understanding of the law. Students can choose from 4 distinct IP IT certificate programs, as well as 2 joint degree programs with CTI, DePaul School of Computer Science, Telecommunications, and Information Systems.
Is there something qualitatively different about the right to have a broadcast station as opposed to the right to graze your cattle on public lands or have access to water resources or other kinds of public goods?
Trademark law exists, as we've said, to protect the consumer and to protect the producer in terms of their selection of an information-rich signal.
They come to DePaul because in developing our IP program, we did not focus on just one aspect of IP. There are many schools are just a patent school or they're just a copyright school. It was very important in designing this program that we have equal strength in all of the regimes in intellectual property. And so we have as much to offer students that are interested in art and entertainment and music and copyright issues as we do technology issues, as we do patents, as we do trademarks. It's a very, very broad-based program.
The environment at CIPLIT is warm and supportive, fostering individual advancement.
There are no trademark police out there, as we all know. There's no one who will go into a store and say, aha, you are using that mark incorrectly, and you shouldn't be. So the company, giving them the benefit of the doubt is policing their mark. Whether they are going overboard in it is another story, and that's what we have to sort of figure out.
Law school is difficult. Our students work really hard. The program is intense, so it makes a big difference where it's a warm, comfortable, inviting environment, and I think we provide it here.
The reception I got when I came to DePaul from the faculty, from other students, it was amazing. Faculty called me to check in to see how the process was going, the application process was going for me. When I visited here, the thing that really set DePaul apart is that the students actually looked happy, which was quite different from other law schools that I had visited. And so honestly, on my first visit here was when I decided to attend.
Nationally recognized faculty work with active, respected alumni to advance career strategies through networking and individual mentoring.
Students know that when they come here, they'll have access to internships, externships, clerkships. We think it's critical that we not just teach out of books, but that we get our students in law firms and in courtrooms where they can gather that experience.
As a second year, you're able to take an externship course. And through that, I think you're really able to develop your professional skills. You're writing, you're researching, you're out in the field, you're observing people on site, and I think that's the greatest opportunity that I've taken advantage of.
There's also networking opportunities. I mean, it really helps if, there's so many students over the years I have sent and said, go talk to this attorney, and he'll, or she will connect with you and give you some important information, and they meet for coffee or they run over to their offices. If you were miles away from that office, you wouldn't have those same opportunities. So it's the ability to participate in the legal profession and the ability to have a networking system that's located all within footsteps of your law school.
There are more judges on the bench here in Chicago who have graduated from DePaul than any other law school in the city. Partners in major law firms, prosecutors and defense counsel. Many of them are from DePaul. They're a wide network of people. We actually have 8,500 graduates from DePaul Law School just in the city itself.
Qualified students in the first-year IP Legal Analysis, Research, and Communication program participate in CIPLIT's Summer Job Program, where faculty and staff make the extraordinary effort to assist students in career development and placement.
Professor Quall helped me get an externship with Judge Mark Phillip, who's a federal district court judge for the Northern District of Illinois. I worked with him last summer and then was fortunate enough that he asked me to come back and stay with him through the school year last year. So that was just an unbelievably terrific learning experience.
An innovative, dynamic approach to curriculum is punctuated with a robust series of programs and events, including the annual CIPLIT Conference, lectures by distinguished IP scholars, and participation in national IP events, co-sponsored by the foremost IP professional organizations.
Our students come here and they work hard, but they love the environment. They feel good about their school, DePaul. They like their faculty. The faculty is accessible, approachable.
They come to DePaul because we have a program that they know is going to be an extremely important credential for them in the marketplace.
State law also governs trademarks.
At the Center for Intellectual Property Law and Information Technology, the innovative, dynamic, and relevant curriculum fosters excellence, formidable lawyering skills, and opportunity for its students.
Objection, Your Honor.
Nationally ranked among the best IP programs, CIPLIT strives to develop professionals of the highest caliber. DePaul University's unique progressive program presents an extraordinary prospect for students of the law in a growing segment of the legal profession.